How to change currency on Gate application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how you can easily change your default currency on the Gate application. So here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Gate app on your device. And once you're inside the home page of Gate, make sure that you're also logged in. After you're signed in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. Once you're inside this page, tap on your username at the top of the screen, and then on the next page, click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, tap on Exchange Rate and choose a different currency or exchange rate from the menu. After you do that, you can now head back to your home page and you have successfully changed your currency setting in the Gate application. So there you have it. It is super easy and simple. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.